Wanna know how to check your cancelled trips or cancelled bookings in Agoda? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your agoda.com website. So just simply open up your web browser and then type in agoda.com. And once you have done that, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. Just simply select your profile, and right below points max, you should be seeing profile. Just simply select it. And now once you have selected that, here you should be seeing my trips on the left side right here on the top left side. So you can simply select my trips and it should be directed to on your window. And once that is done, here you should be seeing completed. So just simply select completed right here, and right beside it you should be seeing cancelled. So this is where you will be shown if your trips are cancelled in Agoda. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.